It's another Saturday, another gala day, and we are with Mr. Brooks. Yeah, we're going to go to Walmart or Target for the dog food, and also PetSmart for other stops na kailangan ng mga dogs. So kaya, see you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all.
Ayan, so nagbago na naman ang plano today after buying the dog food sa PetSmart. Tumawag yung pinsan ni Derek because there is party in the afternoon and nagre-request sila ng lumpia, which is tedious and matagal gawin. So we decided to do the Vietnamese spring roll again para mabilis and yun. So we need to hurry back home after Target because we're walking to Target now. Para gumawa ng Vietnamese spring rolls. See you.
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from
Nagkausap si Derek and nakita ko yung hinahanap kong mug. This one, the double wall mug, pero it's $6. Hindi ko alam kung bibilin ko. For sure ayaw yung isa kasi mahal. Pero I've been looking for this. Tanong natin kung papayag na bilhin ng 6.
two hearts running wild.
Hindi namin siya bibilhin kasi it doesn't fit. Mahihirapan akong kunin ang coffee. So ayan, ito lang ang nabili namin dito sa Target kasi ay inisip ko na sa Giant na lang kami bumili nung bean sprouts, ng crab meat, imitation crab meat, crab sticks, at saka sweet chili sauce. Kasi yung nandito sa Target na sweet chili sauce, iba, para lang siyang patis. And the crab meat is chunk, and I wanted the stick para madaling balutin yung spring rolls. Kaya ayun. So this is what we bought. panglinis sa lababo and a dog treat. Dito kami ngayon sa Giant to get the sweet chili sauce, the imitation crab meat stick, and hopefully the bean sprouts if they have it. Tingnan nyo, nakakita kami ng paanong manok and it says chicken paws. Ayaw ni Derek, pero bumili kami ng chicken gizzard and the hearts para sa dogs.
What's the date on it? June 17th. I'm gonna get both of these and freeze it.
How about that? You don't want the chicken paws?
No.
So ayun ang aming imitation crab meat para
Sure
sa
you don't want to use chicken strips?
Vietnamese spring rolls. No, I'm using the crab meat instead of that. And then the gizzard. So ayan, we got everything we need. We have the spring rolls wrapper, pero we are not going to use that. We're going to use the rice wrapper today. And then we have the crab meat, we have the squash for the dog, cucumber for the Vietnamese spring rolls, gizzard and chicken heart for the dog, also ketchup, sweet chili sauce, and then the bean sprouts again, canned. Wala kaming makitang fresh. So we're going back home now.
We began to feel the fire.
Mamahinga saglit. And then we'll make the spring rolls later. The party will be at 7.
The night's young, and it's just begun.
And we're eating Frito-Lay.
We wanna chase the night. Never sleep, never stop. Never shut from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I always see that nasa federal credit. So the person who could open the counter is the only person, the only person who are working at NASA. Give me one drink.
We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So this is the recipe for our Vietnamese spring roll. Rice spring roll wrappers, bean sprouts, imitation crab sticks, julienne onion, julienne bell pepper, julienne cucumber, julienne carrots. Ayan. And then, when you are going to wrap it, basain nyo lang yung rice wrapper and then put all your ingredients. Like here, I put imitation crab meat and julienne cucumber, julienne carrots, julienne bell pepper, and julienne onion. If you can say, I try to make it na halos same length yung mga gulay. So, it would be easier to wrap. Pag magkakasing haba kasi sila, hindi ka mahihirapang magbalot. And then, ilagay mo lang sa itaas yung bean sprouts. And then, cover mo from the other side. And then, the right side. And then, yung left side. And, roll para ma-close. Try to make it as tight as you can. Hindi naman nasisira yung rice wrapper kasi na-stretch siya. And then, I cut a parchment paper and then wrap it there para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Kasi once you wrap it and pinagsama-sama mo siya, magdidikit-dikit siya. So, in order for me not to have it magdikit-dikit, I normally wrap it with parchment paper. And this is it. After putting it on a display bowl, and I cut it in half para kita yung iba-ibang kulay niya. And for the peanut sauce, the ingredients is 3/4 cups of sweet chili sauce, and then 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. I-blend mo lang siya until mixed. And if it's sobrang mahalang for you, you could add sugar or milk para mabawasan ang anghang. So that's it. That's my Vietnamese spring roll. See you on the next one. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko in the future. See you!